Number 235, if 1/3 of the air in a tank is removed by each stroke of an air pump, what fractional part of the total air is removed in 6 strokes? So ang choices, 0.7122, 0.9122, 0.6122, and letter D, 0.8122. Okay, so ang question ay galing sa 1001 Solved Problems in Engineering Mathematics, number 235 na tayo. So this is all about geometric progression. Okay, so try nyo sagutan muna bago panoodin ang aking solution. Okay, so let's start. So ang first step natin, mag-assign muna tayo ng variable na gagamitin natin dito. Okay, so let X be the total volume of air in the tank. And then let Y be the total volume removed from the tank after the 6th stroke. Okay, so isa-isahin natin. Ang tinatanong kasi, what fractional part of the total air is removed in 6 strokes? So mag-start tayo sa first stroke. So volume left after the first stroke. So ang sabi, 1/3 of the air in the tank is removed by each stroke. So mag-start tayo sa kumpleto pa. So we have X. Ito yung X is the total volume of air in the tank. Then magsasubtract tayo dahil nga na-remove. 1/3 of the air in the tank is removed by each stroke. So X, mag-subtract tayo ng 1/3 of X. Okay, so X minus 1/3 of X, so that will be equal to 2/3 of X. Dahil merong 1 dito, 1 minus 1/3, that is 2/3. Okay, so next. Volume left after the second stroke. So mag-i-start na tayo dito sa 2/3 X. Then subtract natin yung 1/3 netong 2/3 X. So 1/3 times 2/3 of X. So simplify lang natin yan. So magiging siyang 2/3 X minus pag sinimplify natin ito. So magiging itong 1 times 2 and then 3 times 3. So we have 2/9X. So pag sinimplify natin, gawin nating similar fraction, multiply lang natin ito sa 3/3 para maging 9 na sila parehas. So ang numerator natin magiging 3 times 2, we have 2. Then subtract natin itong 2 dito. So we have 3 times 2, 6 minus 2. So we have 4/9x. So ito na yung volume after the second stroke. Okay, so next, third stroke tayo. Volume left after the third stroke. So dito na tayo mag-i-start sa 4/9x minus 1/3 netong 4/9x. Okay? So multiply lang natin ito. 1 times 4 tapos 3 times 9. Pero gawin na natin itong similar dahil 3 times 9 itong kabila magiging 27. So kailangan maging 27 din ito. So multiply na natin sa 3/3. So magiging siyang 3 times 4. So magiging na yung 12/27x minus multiply natin ito. So we have 4/27x. So subtract natin 12 minus 4. So we have 8/27x. Then ngayon tingnan natin kung may pattern na tayo. Ayan, ito yung mga volume left after each stroke. Tingnan natin kung may pattern. So we have 2/3 X. Sumunod ay naging 4/9x, and then yung pangatlo 8/27x. So by inspection, madali na nating makita yung pattern niyan. May minumultiply kasi. So tingnan natin itong 2 naging 4, tapos yung 4 naging 8. So di ba times ano lang ito? Times 2. Tapos sa denominator 3 naging 9, and then 9 naging 27. So nagmultiply lang tayo dito ng 3. So ibig sabihin pala, ito ay nagpa-follow ng geometric progression kung saan ang common ratio natin R ay equal sa times 2 sa numerator times 3 sa denominator. So therefore, ang R ay 2/3. Okay? So ibig sabihin, madali nang makuha yung volume remove after the 6th stroke. Gamitin na natin ang formula ng geometric progression. So we have A sub n is equal to A sub 1 times R to the n minus 1. So hinahanap natin volume left after the 6th stroke. So A sub 6 ang hinahanap. So we have A sub 1 R to the n minus 1 or 6 minus 1. We have to the 5th power. So i-substitute lang natin ang value ng A sub 1 ay first term. Ito yan, 2/3 X. Ang ating first term natin ay 2/3 X. So we have 2/3 X. Ang common ratio natin R ay 2/3. Yan. And then, exponent natin ay to the 5th power. So, simplify lang natin ito. So, puro 2/3 pala ito, no? So, kung puro 2/3, magigilang itong may 2 dito, tas may 2 to the 5th. So, parang magiging 2 to the 6th power na lang yan. Over ito, may 3, tas 3 to the 5th. So, magiging 3 to the 6th. Tapos, ito ay may x. So, sa last part natin, tatanggalin na natin yung x kasi wala namang x dito sa mga choices natin. So, i-evaluate lang natin yan. A sub 6 is equal to, so i-calculator na lang natin. So, 2 to the 6. Pwede i-divide na muna natin ito, 2 divided by 3. Tsaka natin erase sa 6. Okay? So, 2 divided by 3, we have, ayan, 0.666667 yan. Tapos, erase natin sa exponent na 6. Yan, raised to the 6th power equal tayo sa 4 decimal places lang kuhanin natin dahil dito sa choices natin ay puro mga 4 decimal places. So we have 0.08779 ano? So ang kuhanin na lang natin diyan ay so pwede hanggang dito sa 9. Okay? So kunin natin hanggang sa 9.8779. Okay? So sulat lang natin dito. So we have 0.08779. Ito yung volume left. Volume left after the third stroke. So ang hinahanap natin ay fractional part of the total air removed in 6 strokes. So ang gagawin natin, yun yung y yung hinahanap natin. So magiging value nito ay y is equal to x minus etong value na ito. So lagyan lang natin ng x ito dito. So we have x minus 0.08 minus 0.08779x. So, ang magiging value niyan, pag sinubtract natin, ayan, so subtract natin, balik tayo sa ating calculator. Lagyan ko ng negative sign ito. Tapos, add ako ng 1. Add 1, ayan na yung magiging answer natin, 0.9122, which is letter B. Okay? So, ang volume left after the 6th stroke is equal to 0.9122x. So, therefore, letter B ang tamang sagot, 0.9122. Okay, so that's all. So, thank you for watching. I hope nagustuhan niyo explanation ko para sa problem na to at kita-kita tayo sa mas marami pang mga engineering mathematics reviewer. So, good luck sa lahat na nagre-review. Bye-bye and God bless.